Hello everybody, this is Valentin Hatton and I am back to explain another video on one of the uses in Dr. Java. Today's topic is going to be about loops. So basically a loop is a way of repeating lines of code more than once. The block of code contained within the loop will be executed again and again until the condition required by the loop is met. So today I'm going to be explaining three different types of loops: a for loop, a while loop, and a nested loop. So the first one is a for loop. In a for loop, the integer, which is I right here, is called inside the for loop. So as long as I is less than pixel array.length, this states that I will run and it will add +1 increment every time it is still below pixel array.length. So the next one is a while loop. The difference between a while loop is that the integer I can be called not inside the while loop, so it can be called anywhere. So here states that I will keep on running, while the while loop will keep on running as long as I is less than pixel array.length. And if you remember this I++, which will state that it will run n +1 by every increment, it will be stated here after the whole method. So this is where it states that it will run by +1 every time. The last one is a nested loop. Nested loop basically means it is a loop nested inside another loop. So in this example, it is a for loop, and inside the for loop there's another for loop. So for loop, the first one states that integer x equals to start x, and which is one of my parameters right here, and as long as x is less than x will run and add 1 by 1 increment every time. The next one is int y, which is equal to start y, and it basically has the same function, but for every x, y will run until it's complete. Then for the next x, y will run. So basically y runs every time a new x has been added by this. So that's all the loops that I will explain today: a for loop, while loop, and a nested loop. Thank you.